Welcome to STEAMventures, where curiosity meets innovation and young learners are taken on an exciting journey into the world of farms and gardens. Designed for transitional kindergarten, this immersive curriculum prepares young learners for elementary school and beyond. In the Farms module, students explore the vibrant world of farm life, discover the importance of farms, and gain insights into where our food comes from. In gardens, students design greenhouses and plant their own mini gardens to learn about the essential requirements for plants to grow. Through hands-on activities and engaging videos, they'll learn about the different parts of plants we eat, such as roots, stems, leaves, and fruits. Each STEAM enrichment program comes with 24 30-minute lessons and materials for up to 30 learners. In your first box, you'll find an intro letter with a detailed unpacking list. You'll also find your digital resource license key with instructions on how to access the digital curriculum and more resources. Your STEAMventures program includes a comprehensive instructor guide and printed student pages. The instructor guide makes it easy for educators of any experience level to prepare for each lesson. Aligned with NGSS, Common Core Math, ELA, National Art Standards, and ISTE, the lessons integrate foundational academic skills while emphasizing social-emotional learning and the importance of kindness. Additionally, you'll receive everything your learners will need to complete the activities, including paper, student handouts, spoons, a mesh bag for cleaning and storing bricks, coffee filters, pencils, construction paper, glue, markers, pots, seeds, storage bins, craft supplies, paint, child scissors, and Brick Lab bricks. STEAMventures is designed for turnkey implementation. Visit adventures.com to download a curriculum sample and join us on this exciting adventure with STEAMventures, where students grow into confident, compassionate explorers of the world around them.